for whisk number one, samba walk, small. And two, rolling off the arm, roll and step, and roll and step. Forward samba walk. Yeah, that. So we go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Then we go. It's step and a rock, step, step, a rock, step, step, a rock, step, step. Rotation. 1 up, 2, 3 up, 4. Whisk number one. Turn and we go. Forward samba walk. Forward rolling off the arm, roll off the arm, and roll back in. Okay. Forward samba walk, and we'll stop right there. There you go. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, and we go. It's slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Closed rocks go slow. Rock, step, slow. Rock and slow. Rock and slow. And rotate, go. 1, 2, 3, and go. Whisk and samba walk. 1, 2, ladies, roll out, go. Beautiful. Yes, good. All right.